Hello everyone, it's Andrew here. Just want to quickly go over being able to see changes in the setup of your org with Setup Audit Trail. So this right here is just the Salesforce documentation of this. It lets you know all the changes that you can see happening. It's most of them in Setup. If you need to look at one specifically, obviously you can come here, but I'll just show you quickly how to view it. You go to Setup, Quick Find, just type in Audit and view Setup Audit Trail. This is a powerful tool if you need to see changes that have happened. Right here, this page will just show you the 20 most recent changes. But if you download the Excel file, it'll show you the last 6 months. So I've done that. This is just a playground of mine, so there's not a whole lot of changes. But you can see as I was going through Trailhead, for example, here, this one I changed the default organization time zone. You can just go back and see all these changes. It's super handy in case you need to go back and find out when that happened or who did it. You got the information, time zone, who, and then what it was. Here, change contact page layout. I mean, just awesome that you can access that. So don't forget that that's there. I got all the information for you.